Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add a Shopify store policies. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So to add your policies, it is recommended to add a policies page, and either you can create your own custom policies page using your sales channel. Head over to online store and then you have pages here. Once you are onto that section, you're going to click on add a page, and in here you can search in for policies. So you have some default pages here and you can add your own policies as well. So once you simply add this page, you can enter your content, and you can also head over to your front end section onto your store and completely modify that. Or what you can do is simply head over to your apps section and in the app store search for any plugin related to policies maker, and that is going to help as well. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.